art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the Smiling Critters logo. So first we're going to get started by drawing in the word critters on the bottom, curving this across towards the right. So starting further over on the left, we're going to start with the C, just drawing in the letter C in the middle. On the top, we're going to curve this line up, and then we'll do the same thing as we bring this line down on the bottom. And then again, we're just going to connect this together with another letter C. Let's move up now for the letter R. From the top here, we're going to curve this line down, arching this line around and then in. We're going to curve this line out, down, and then back up. And then from that corner, just bringing this line across and then over on the bottom. Now let's draw in the letter I. So coming beside this, we're going to curve this line down. And then stepping up on a small diagonal, we're going to curve this line down again. Let's close this off on the top as well as on the bottom with a small curved line. For the dot, we're going to draw in a small letter C. And then from that corner again, we're going to replicate that, bringing this line around and then up on the bottom. Now let's draw in the letter T. So on the side, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then in. And then moving over on the right, let's replicate that, lining that up at the same height. We're going to close this off on the top, bringing this over, across, and then down. And then on both sides, we're just going to curve this line out. And then on the bottom, curving this line across. Now from here, drawing in the letter T again, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then in, replicating that on the right. We're going to close this off on the top. Two curved lines coming across. And then just another curved line towards the top. Now let's draw in the letter E. So in the middle here, we're going to curve this line out. Underneath, drawing in a small curved line, bringing that up. We're going to curve this line down. On the top here from that corner, we're going to arch this line in. Let's draw in the unicorn horn, bringing this up and then down. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around, connecting that in towards the bottom. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line, and then just two curved lines on the top for our unicorn horn. Now let's draw in the letter R. So beside this, we're going to arch this line out, bringing this around and then in. Again, curving this line around and then up. And then from that corner, just bringing this line down and across. Lastly, we're going to draw in the letter S, making this bigger. So on the top here, we're going to draw in two arch lines. To the right, we're going to bring this line down. And then on the left, we're just going to bring this line out, in, and then up. To the left, let's curve this line out. And on the top, we're going to curve this line across as well. Now from here on the top, we're going to arch this line down. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to connect this as we bring this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom. Now, where these little cutouts are here, we're going to curve this line across and then back down. Now let's come up and draw the word smiling. So we're not going to come past the letter T on this side or the letter R. So we're going to draw it in this space here. So this is going to be smaller. So we're going to start with the letter S. And then we're going to create that into a bubble writing, curving this line back, around, and then in. Let's draw in the letter M now above the letter I. And then again, as we come underneath, let's just replicate that. Now let's draw in the letter I. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a small rectangle. And then up above that, we're just going to draw in an even smaller one sideways for the dot. Let's draw in the letter L beside this. And then moving around that, we're just going to replicate that, bringing this around, up, and then across. Let's draw in the letter I again, a small sideways rectangle on the top. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. Let's draw in the N now, bringing this line up, across, down, back up, and over. On the bottom, across, up, and then down, and then closing that off on the side. Lastly, let's draw in the letter G. So we're going to curve this line around, creating a small letter C. On the top, we're going to bring this line over, and then again, we're just going to curve this back around and then in. Let's close this off, bringing this across, and then in towards the top. And then now that we have in our words, we're just going to draw in around this. So in the corner here, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to curve this around our letter C. We're going to bring this line, curving this all the way across on the bottom towards the letter S. Arching this line around, back up. And then again from here, just following the shape of the letters. So we're going to curve this down. We're going to bring this line across, curve this over towards our E, curving this line up, following that horn, bringing this line across again. And then now on the left, we're going to curve this line over. And we're just going to draw in a wavy pattern as we come all the way across, curving this line. And connecting this on the right. And then as we move outside of this one more time, we're just going to replicate this. So curving this down. And we're just going to follow this pattern that we have on the inside. As we come all the way around. And that is it. That's how you draw the Smiling Critters logo. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.